Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet, with me, Richard, here. Yeah, today we are looking at this question. It's grade 8, Natural Sciences. It says, the table below shows different symbols of electrical circuits. Okay. Complete the table by writing the name of the symbol and its function. Okay, we are having symbols here. These are symbols we use in electrical circuits. And our job is simple to give the name and the function. Okay, the first one is this one. What does it represent? This one is battery. Okay. And what is the function of the battery on the electrical circuit? Okay, the function is it provides energy or potential energy. To the circuit. Okay, then we come to this one. What is this one? These two, they resemble, but this one is slightly different from the other one. So what is this? This is a cell. Okay, you have to know that what you call a battery is an assembly of cells. So what we have here is a battery consisting of 1, 2, 3 cells. So this is a single cell. And what's the function of the cell? The same as the battery. It provides potential difference or provides potential energy. Okay. So now comes to this symbol. What does it represent? It represents a bulb. And what's the function of the bulb? It converts electrical energy to light. Okay, it first converts it to heat, then light. Yeah, then we come to this one. What is it? This is an open switch. And what is the function of an open switch? It completes the circuit. It opens and closes the circuit. Yeah, then we come to this one. What is it? This is a closed switch. And what is the function of the switch? It's the same as that one. It completes the circuit. Yeah, then we come to this one. What is this? This is how we represent a connecting wire. And what is the function of connecting wire? It conducts electricity. Yeah, then we come to this one. It's either box or the symbol. And what does it represent? It represents a resistor. And what's the function of the resistor? A resistor actually offers some opposition to the flow of current. And sometimes we use it to convert electrical energy to heat. Yeah, then we come to this one. Yeah, this is the same as the other one, but with an arrow going through it. What is this? We call this one variable resistor or rheostat. And what's the function of a rheostat? Actually, a rheostat is a resistor whose value can be changed at will. Yeah, then we come to this one. It says that consider the two circuits below. These are the circuits A and B. And they say switch is closed in both. Okay, the question comes and says, in which circuit will the bulbs give light? Okay, yeah, the answer is A. Okay, in which circuit will the bulbs not give light? The answer is B. And now they say, explain your answer in 1 and 2 above. Okay? Yeah. What is the explanation for A giving light and B not giving light? Okay, the explanation is that in A, the batteries, the cells in the batteries are correctly assembled or correctly connected. The connection must be that the positive goes to the negative of the other one, and the positive of the other one goes to the negative, like that. Such that when it comes to electric current, it must flow in one direction. While in B, what do we see? The cells are connected in opposite manner. So the current generated by one is opposed by the current generated by the other. So there will be no flow of electric current here because the batteries are opposing each other. Yeah, that is that. So the entire reason is all about the way cells in the batteries are connected. Yeah, then comes this one. It says, give a reason why conducting wires are made up of metals. Yes, these wires we see which are conducting electricity in all these circuits, they are made of metals. Why? The answer is that metals are good conductor of electricity. Actually, like we saw previously, metals have what we call delocalized electrons. And delocalized electrons are responsible for conduction of electricity. Yeah, that is that. And with that, I would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet, with me, Richard, here. Yeah, we urge you to subscribe, to comment, to like, to share. And we need to remind you that this channel, PSSB, is a YouTube science channel specializing in physical sciences, grade 12, 11, and 10, and natural sciences grade 8 and 9. Yeah, we urge you to use our playlist. So if you are using the channel, don't go to video, just go to playlist and click the material which belongs to your level. For grade 8 and 9, look for natural sciences grade 8 or natural sciences grade 9. For grade 11 and 10, look for physical sciences grade 11 or physical sciences grade 10. As for grade 12, each chapter is independently treated. So Just look for the chapter of your choice, and there you are. You'll have all the material which you need. With that, I'd like to say thank you. Stay blessed. Keep in touch. See you next time. Bye-bye.